Undercover was Chinese drama starts on January 5th on iQiyi for 24 episodes. Feng as Fang Muwan, Ban Youcheng as Xie Ciyuan, iQiyi as Xie Yan, Yu Gong as Liu Yue, Lu Yanbei as Xie Ciyuan, Tai Xiaotong as Chui, Li Yayun as Yanwei, Hu Jingyu as Xie Yingchuan. After betrayal drives Huanhua Valley into exile, his heiress Fang Muwan reveals her life, only to be drawn back into turmoil when an assassination case exposes the masked eater of Wufeng Pavilion as her former husband, Xie Ciyuan.